Want to bypass Discord IP ban? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, if the ban is from a server, you must contact the server admins or mods. If the ban is a Discord-wide ban, you can submit an appeal. While you wait for the issue to be resolved, there is a workaround. What you can do is simply use a VPN. To download and install the VPN, head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for VPN. From there, you can download whichever VPN you want. If you're using desktop version of Discord, then you can simply add a VPN extension. Open the VPN app. There you want to select a server location and connect. This changes your IP address. That's the key to bypassing the ban. With the VPN active, head back to Discord and try joining the same server again. This time, access is restored without any issues. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.